What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyler here, back with another video. Right, today, we've been waiting for a very long time. This is for the Audi A3 8P 1.4 TFSI. If you haven't already, make sure to check out all the other videos about the Audi. We've done quite a bit on it now, and this year we'll definitely get it sorted more. Yeah, so today what we're doing, we're gonna make the whole front blacked out, dechrome on the grille. So I'm just going to head over to my boy now, just waiting for the car to just yeah, it's a bit icy, so I'm waiting for it to warm up a bit. And yeah, mate, so obviously we're off to there. I'll see you on his side. Right, before the video starts, this video is sponsored by B7 Performance. As I was saying in all the other videos, make sure to go hit him up if you want anything cheap for your car, parts and etc. Make sure to hit him up. As you can see, if you lot haven't seen, obviously I've done it with my cars as well. The quality of the materials are pretty good. Make sure to use the 10% of my discount code, which is TYLERSCOTT in all capitals, for 10% off of all parts. Make sure to hit him up. You can get like stuff like this. It's all like lanyards and stuff. But yeah, he does do, it's not just Mark 7s, Fiestas and stuff like that. It's for all cars. Hit him up. Go to b7performance.com for more, and you can have a look at the website. You can do what you want, pay for it. Let him know that you've seen my videos and you've come across me to go towards his website. It'd be much appreciated. So yeah. Go, blood. Let's go, blood. That's how we're talking, Dartford. Hey, blood. Come on, blood. Oh, Jamie, blood.
You should have got an electric one.
I haven't got an electric one, Mitch, yeah?
Just a drill.
Shut up. Shut up, blood.
Got a thing from cars.
No abuse, John. Listen here, cuz.
Listen here, cuz. No one cares, cuz. Oh, mate. Actually, there was nothing in the middle one, wasn't it? There was one missing, Mitch. You know that? I think there was one missing anyway.
Oh, screw you.
Yeah, right in the middle.
You don't need one in the middle.
Was there one here? Yeah. Was there one here?
If you're missing one, why don't you do the corners first and then...
Because I know what one was missing, that one. Right. That one, for sure. I'm gonna fucking put it in one king cross-thread it.
Oh, there is a little bit of cracking.
Yeah, oh mate, don't say that.
No!
I was going to say to Tyler, like, fuck me, imagine it don't fit, but I thought I'm not going to say that in case I fucking jinx myself.
In the middle of the video. Mine was a little bit too small, guys.
Yeah. Until next month.
Yeah, mate, you know what, yeah, it would take me a week to send this back, yeah? It takes them a fucking month and a week to send it to me.
Well, so if it took them that long to send the parcel, how long do you reckon it'd take for them to send a refund?
Oh.
A year?
Your bank will send you a message.
It'll take a year because of COVID. There's some traffic on the line.
Yeah, coronavirus is actually stopping us sending you money.
Oh, yeah! Send it to a Bitcoin.
I said, okay, that's Bitcoin fucking characters. Wasn't there some screws?
Huh?
How many was it in the total? 8?
Yeah.
Oh, look, I'm missing 3 bolts then. Fucking.
They're not.
Damn, there's one there. One there.
There's 8 there, mate.
One there, yeah. But I'm saying, there should be more than 8. Oh.
You didn't get some in your new box or anything, did you? Not spare ones? No. Oh. Oh, blood. Just screwing them on, and then to see what the outside looks like. Oh, breathe.
Maybe I cracked it. Oh,
oh my eyes, that big ass truck trying to get down here, mate.
Huh?
Oh, breathe.
Say goodbye to you.
Leave it out, it's the ultimate man van.
The ultimate. There you go. The ultimate man van. What was it? Man van? Hey.
Oh, I keep hitting it. Oh,
No way, he's actually going to try and get down there.
of course he will, they always do.
They get all they hear. They get to about here and then go, hold on a sec, I can't turn around.
Yeah, and if I can reverse
Oh, mate.
Reverse.
I'm looking at my car. Wait, what?
It's weird.
No, because Ross's door's open, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. Oh, mate.
You'd be chasing down the road, wouldn't you?
I would, mate. No bumper or nothing.
Give me your fucking door.
I'll take your door. So in total, there should be about 10 bolts. No, 11 bolts.
Yeah, I think so.
We only got 8.
Oh, boys, it's crossed with the top.
Oh, there's the sun, look.
Hold your toes up.
Oh, Savannah, I bloody warm my toes up.
They're fucking frozen.
Oh, Savannah, my toes are fucking frozen.
Last one. And we get to see what it looks like. Boom. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's actually not even a dead match.
Right, that's us putting it on now. Obviously, we're currently trying to do it two hands at the moment. But right, that should go.
So it goes on the top of this.
There you go. Right now. I think that needs to be lined. Well, mine's kind of in line, but I just need to finish up on the sides. It's this bit I'm trying to get.
Yeah, but that'll pull itself, I think, over, I think.
Because that's the hub.
Mine. I can't fit mine back in.
Yeah, it should be in line, because look, the holes. What's the underneath looking like? It's not getting catched underneath or something, is it?
No. I can't make... I think I've missed the thing, innit?
Yeah, that should go. No, yeah, that goes above it. Yeah. There you go. Boom. Yeah, look. Now, same for the other side. And then we can start screwing it on. I'll try and keep it. So,
oh shit, this goes underneath.
That goes underneath?
Yeah. This goes underneath. I pull my wire out because it's a little secret, you know. Little secret coming, little thing.
I don't. Should we let go there?
Little secret thing's coming.
No, that definitely looks so much better, man. Open mouth. Mate, like, stand back. Oh!
Oh.
What? Go back.
I put the license plates will go up in that middle bit.
That's only the frame.
Like the phone.
No, that's the frame though, isn't it? It's just the frame.
Yeah, but
It looks like you got air tech or something. It's just like you got like. Huh?
it's not right, is it?
What's up to you? that is the end of the video with the Audi. Yes, you saw the video and all that. It's absolutely amazing. It's made a hell of a difference. So I do recommend you go buying it. I'll put a link in below, obviously, where to get them. But yeah, that is the end of the video for today. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting both of our cars and helping the channel grow. We much appreciate this. So keep up. We're on this grind for 2K. Let's get it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share. I'll see you in my next video, boys.